Hello Manji. Today we have something very interesting with us. What is it? New game. Box, activity box. Yes, we have purchased a subscription of Einstein box. Here it is. First we got the card, thank you card. Show us the thank you card. Red card, shows the red card like this. Yes, a big thank you card. Open the box. She has already put up one. We got the another booklet which is about, show to us Manchi. Show to us. Okay, it is about parents. It is about the instructions of all to parents about all activities which is placed inside this box. Okay, we pick up first activity. Manchi, pick the book up. Okay. Show to us first. Yes, it is Ria Grows a Plant. Open. It is a sticker book actually. We got some sticker also. Show the stickers. Yes, open it. Yes, show us the stickers. How it is. Show to us. Butterfly. It is the butterfly. Okay, flowers. Okay, we have to stick it. We have another book also. Pick it up. The other book. It is a reading book. Yes. Okay. And the book name is? It is about Tiggy House. Okay. This is a 3A box actually. And which we got the wipe and clean. I think we can do something with this sketch pen also there. When we open the book, inside it is something like this. We can read it like in this page. Manchi, it is we have to find some shadow ones and we have to circle it. Okay, this is a nice book. A story book. Plus, yeah, we can do some activity too. Let's begin with this is something called activity 3. Okay, 3 activities also we have. This is activity 1, this is 2. Okay, open this. Open this. Open. Let's see what is inside it. It is an activity. Which activity is this? It's an activity about we have. Okay. Yes. Show. We have to plant trees. It's about planting. See Manchi, we have some planting box also, seed also. We have to plant this and it's called like my plant. We can track the growth also. There is a scale too. Okay, open the next box. This is activity 3. Activity 2 box. Open this also. This is a coloring set actually. Show. Put it here. Okay, there is a folk painting. Okay, we got some colors with a brush and a color plate also. Let's see the book inside. We got this book. Yes. Open. Show to us. Show to us. We got the mat also. See, we got the mat. Kids, don't ruin the sheets or the place. We got the mat to put. We got the book to it. We got the apron also. Even the apron we got. Yes, very lovely. The material and the content and the is very good inside the box. Yes. Open the third activity. Okay. Open the third activity. Show to us inside it. What is it? Yes. Let's do like this. I think it's a puzzle. Okay, it's a big house puzzle actually. There is a puzzle and it is a big house puzzle where everything is there. The dining table, the chair, the table, the bedroom, how's the washroom look like, how the bedroom look like. It's a good activity. We got a puzzle like a big house puzzle. Tiggy's house, like her house in front. Yes. The third puzzle is about her kitchen and dining table. Okay, this activity we got 3 puzzle inside it. It's nice. Say, Manji, this is good. The box is good. Okay, let's begin and play. Okay, say bye. Yes, we will do painting. Say bye. She's very excited. Thank you, Einstein box. Say thank you.